Hey everyone, welcome back to the Santos collection. It's been a little while creating some of these videos. I do apologize for that, but today we're working on my Craftsman tractor that I use for my lawn. It needs some maintenance. It's been sitting around for a while, so I thought I'd give it a little tune-up before summer comes up when I'm constantly using it. So we're going to go through and update a few things. As you can see here, the belts, the blades. Going to change the oil filter, and I'm also going to go ahead and add some extra lights I had just laying around in the garage. So I'm going to go ahead and add those. So we're going to go ahead and put this thing up and give it a good clean and give it a tune-up to get ready for the summer. This will be a two-part video. So we'll see you guys after this time lapse. After all the oil is already drained, you're going to go ahead and clean up the oil filter surface. Just use a rag. If you have any extra debris on there, you could use a little razor blade. But once you clean everything up nice and clean, you just go ahead and put the new oil filter on. I went and grabbed all the equipment and drop a little oil inside of it first, and then just go ahead and screw it on. Make sure it's nice and tight. You can do it hand tight. I've never seen where you had to use the oil filter tool to tighten it, but once you get that done, you should be good to go. Next step, go ahead and open up the oil filler and go ahead and pour in your oil. As I mentioned before, I'm using the Briggs & Stratton oil. Ordered it on Amazon for this particular model. And once you fill it to the proper level, you just go ahead and check your oil with the dipstick. For this part here, I already went ahead and sanded all the little rust spots on both the deck and the top layer of the deck. And the reason I do this every year is just to keep it maintained, just to give it a fresh coat. Sometimes there's water or rain when I'm cutting the lawn, so it's good to just take everything apart, as you can see here, and give it a couple coats of gloss black or flat black Rust-Oleum spray paint, and that just prevents the frame from rusting over time. You always want to take care of your equipment, so little steps like that I highly recommend, so you don't get any major rust on your frame and then have to replace your whole tractor. So this is a skinned down version, as you can see, of the tractor, and once I clean that up, we can begin putting everything back on. As you can see here in the bottom, went ahead and cleaned everything up, so it looks a lot better. Moving forward, I am creating new harnesses for the parking lights that I wanted to add to this. At first, thought it was just a fun project. Had some old parking lights sitting in the garage, and I said, hey, why not just wire them into the headlights so that I can use them on the tractor. Doesn't need to have it, but I like to just come up with different ideas, and they were just sitting around in the garage, so I said, well, why not, instead of throwing them away. So as you can see here, I'm soldering some wires. I'll let you guys watch that for a minute. Here I'm doing the same thing, but for the spare tail light I had in the garage. This is from my motorcycle. I swapped to one of those tail lights that has the turn signals built in with the brake lights. So this one was just sitting around. So why not? Let's throw it on the tractor. I don't think it's going to hurt. And it just makes it have additional lighting if ever I'm cutting the lawn in the evening or during the day, just for safety. so this is going to conclude it for the video. I am going to create part 2 of this so you can see the actual lights in action and see and hear the tractor once it's fully restored and maintained. So be on the lookout for the next video in a couple days, and I will have that out for everyone to see. But good weekend project. Again, guys, I highly encourage any creativity that you can do at home. Find little stuff around your garage, add it to something else, don't throw it away. It makes it for a good project. So please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next video.